Assalamualaikum students. Yesterday we started the chapter conjunctions and today we have to complete it. We have to do its exercises. Before starting doing the exercises, I want to ask the definitions. So raise your hand. What is a conjunction? What is a conjunction? Hurry up. Yes, Roma. Wait a second, beta. Yes.
Conjunction is a word which is placed between two sentences to make them one.
You can say it is a joining word. It joins sentences, clauses, and phrases. Okay. Now,
Yes,
okay, good. Roma, can you give me an example? Give me one example, Roma.
I I was playing, my clothes become dirty. So I was playing, so my clothes become dirty.
Correct answer. When I was playing, so my clothes got dirty. So is a conjunction. Okay. Beta, we will complete exercises of conjunction today. Okay, what is a coordinating conjunction? Yes, what is a coordinating conjunction? I've told you coordinating conjunction are 7 in number. Yesterday I told you. Yes, what is a coordinating conjunction? G. Musaf, you tell me what is a coordinating conjunction?
A coordinating conjunction is used to join single words which represent clause of the same class or level.
Correct answer means they are used to join the two simple sentences. Can you name them? I've told you these are 7 in number and I've also give you a hint how to remember. Yes,
For,
yes,
yet, any, for, and, nor, but,
correct.
or, yet.
Correct. And
So,
so, ठीक है? Fanboys from the word fanboys. Good, Musa. Now, who will tell me what is a subordinating conjunction? Yes, Mudassir, what is a subordinating conjunction? Yes, Roma.
So a subordinate clause is a subordinating conjunction introduce the subordinate clause and it is joined with main clause.
Okay. Subordinating. Okay. Subordinating conjunction is used to join a complex sentences, or you can say it is used in a complex sentence. It starts with a subordinating conjunction like when, before, since, even though, unless, until, if, after, while. These are all subordinating conjunctions. Okay, they represent a dependent clause, not an independent clause, a dependent clause which is dependent on the main clause. Okay. Yes, Mustaf, you want to say something? Yes. Okay, now students, we have done exercise A. Correlative conjunctions, I have told you, these are the pairs of conjunctions when you are using the two conjunctions together. Either or, neither nor, not only, but also, okay, both and. So these are all correlative conjunctions. Now all of you open your books. We'll do exercise A again because many students were absent on that day, and I will tell you the definitions. You have to put a tick mark on the definitions which you have to do. So first of all of you open your books, page number 95. Page number 95. And her sister, because both are doing the same action. Anam and her sister send their greetings to you. Correct? Do the second one
She
also.
she has come or and but her brother hasn't. She has come but her brother.
Hasn't. Okay, there's a difference. She has come, but her brother hasn't. Correct answer. Yes, Musaf, next two.
He should be here or and but he will miss a golden chance. Or
Correct answer. Next.
she has just cleaned her cupboard or so, but it looks clean. So
Correct. Okay. Why the cupboard is looking clean? Because she has cleaned her cupboard. Okay, good. Yes, Roma, next two.
And or if that is the case, I have nothing to say. If that is the case,
Correct answer. Number six. Sixth one. Okay, some other student can do it. Okay, Mudassir, you do. Mudassir, turn on your camera and unmute your mic, beta. Yes. Yes, Mudassir.
Since that you wish to go, you may leave now. Only you wish to go, you may leave now.
The appropriate one is since you wish to go, you may leave now. Okay? Now do the seventh one, Mudassir.
Switch on the lights or and but it will be dark inside. Switch on the lights and or it will be
Correct
dark
answer.
inside.
Switch on the light or it will be dark inside. Correct answer. Good, Mudassir. Next, Mariam Mujib. Yes, Mariam. Eighth one.
The boy, and no, but the girl paid some attention to me. The boy and the girl paid some
Correct.
attention to me.
Do the ninth one.
The girl drew a picture or and but colored it. The girl drew a picture and colored it.
Correct answer. Good, Mariam. Now, Kinza. Yes, Kinza, the last one.
I use the formula to solve this question, yet and or. It hasn't made any difference. Um, or
No, I use the formula to solve the question. Yet. Yet comes in the meaning of but. But it hasn't made any difference. Okay. Now, students, just take the definitions which I'm telling you. Then we will do exercise B. Okay. First of all, you have to put a tick mark on the kinds of conjunctions, coordinating, underline it, single words that connect clauses of the same level or class, but, and, or, nor, for, yet, so. Right in front of it, fanboys. So when you remember fanboys, you will remember all the coordinating conjunctions. Okay? Remember fanboys. Then correlative. Correlative are paired words that connect clauses of the same level or class. Okay? On the next page, it is on the next page. Put a tick mark on it. And then subordinating words that introduce the subordinating clause and connect it to the main clause. Okay? Now, students, remember that there are three types. We have done coordinating, correlative, and subordinating. Now, choose the appropriate conjunctions from the box and use them to join the two parts of sentences separated by slashes so that meaningful sentences are formed. In the exercise B, you can see that there are two sentences. You have to pick the most appropriate conjunction to join the two sentences. For example, I'll tell you the first one. I have bought the plane tickets. I have not got my visa yet. So what is the most appropriate? We cannot write whenever, we cannot write even though, we cannot write either or. So the appropriate one is but. I have bought the plane tickets, but I have not got my visa yet. Okay? Like he has bought the plane tickets, although he didn't have the visa. Okay? In this way you have to join. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Do it. When you have done it, raise to your hand. Wait a minute, Musaf. Let all other students finish also. I'm giving you 1 more minute time. Okay, now we are going to start our work. G. One by one. Yes, Musaf.
We will take their
No, number 2.
it's
Let us
it is
search. No, bit exercise B.
oh
Let us search
let us search for our keys again where you saw them last in the cupboard.
in that cupboard. Correct answer. Let us search for your keys again where you saw them last in that cupboard. Correct answer. Next. Kaleem.
The thief
No, one by one. Yes, Kaleem.
That the thief stole the jewelry whenever took away the bathroom
No.
fitting.
Now the thief is doing the two things. He is not only he is taking the jewelry as well as the bathroom fitting. So you will write the thieves not only stole the jewelry but also took away the bathroom fittings. Okay. So the thieves not only stole the jewelry but also took away the bathroom fittings. G. Kaleem, you do the fourth one.
I suspect that she will forget the appointment. I have reminded her twice.
What can come? Anybody else who can tell me this answer? Yes, Kinza. Yes, Kinza. Beta, unmute your mic na so that I can hear. Mariam Mujib. Yes, Mariam.
Teacher, which one?
Fourth one.
Yes?
Fourth one. Fourth one.
Fourth one.
I suspect she will forget the appointment. I have reminded her twice.
So I have reminded her twice.
No, even though. I suspect she will forget the appointment even though I have reminded her twice. Okay? Who will do the fifth one? Yes, Roma.
I didn't want anyone to see the tattoo. I rolled my sleeves down. So
Correct answer. Good. Roma, do the sixth one as well.
they went to see him in the last days they found time. So they found time.
Whenever. They went to see him in his last days. Whenever they found him. Means whenever they have time, they went to see him. Okay?
Okay.
Next is, yes, Tabeen. Yes, Tabeen. Okay, Musaf. Musaf, do the seventh and eighth one.
He will persuade his brother to do the project, go to his father for help. He will persuade his brother to do either the project or go to his father for help.
You will write it like this. Answer is correct, but you will write it like this. He will either persuade his brother to do the project or go to his father for help. Either will be put before persuade. He will either persuade his brother to do the project or go to his father for help. Good. Musab, do the eighth one as well.
The situation got out of control because people panicked.
Panic. Why did the situation get out of control? The situation got out of control because people panicked. Okay. Good, Musaf. Next, who will do now? Mariam Mujib, do the ninth and 10th one. Do the ninth and 10th one. Yes.
Remember to take your medicine before you go to bed.
Correct answer. Number 10.
The judge is not going to show them any
Mercy.
mercy.
Unless they confess. Okay, now I'm going to repeat the answers. Please check it. I have bought the plane tickets, but I have not got my visa yet. Let us search for your keys again, where you saw them last in that cupboard. The thieves not only stole the jewelry, but also took away the bathroom fittings. I suspect she will forget the appointment, even though I have reminded her twice. I didn't want anyone to see the tattoo, so I rolled my sleeves down. They went to see him in his last days whenever they found time. He will either persuade his brother to do the project or go to his father for help. Or you can also write it like this. He will persuade his brother either to do the project or go to his father for help. The situation got out of control because people panicked. Remember to take your medicine before you go to bed. The judge is not going to show them any mercy unless they confess. Now students, there are different kinds of subordinating conjunctions which are given on the next page. Okay, I'll just explain these. On the screen you can also show some conjunctions show introduce manner, like how something is looking or how something is doing the work. Introduce adverb clause of manner. She looked as if she had seen a ghost. Of place. She buys fruits where they are available in plenty. Of time. It has been a long time since I last saw you. Like since, after, before, while. These are all clauses of time. Of place, you can use wherever. Of reason. Since he asked me for help, I could not say. Result, reason. He was so upset with his brother that he could barely look at him. Carry your pullover with you so that you are not cold later in the evening. Conditional clauses are if, unless, until. Okay, you will need authorization if you want to enter these premises. Contrast, introduce adverb clause of concession or contrast, difference. She sang brilliantly even though she had not practiced enough. And comparison are as and as. He looks as brave as a lion, or he looks as much as his father. Okay. Now in exercise C, you don't have to learn this. These are just, they have given an example of subordinating conjunctions like when, where, since, before, after, while, as, if, unless, until, that. These are all subordinating conjunctions. In exercise C, you have to fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions from the box below. I'm giving you 3 minutes time. Start doing it. Okay? So it's a big exercise. So I want all of you to fill in the blanks. The conjunctions are in this box. So you have to put them according to the sentence. Yes, have you done, students? Okay. So we start with Musaf. Musaf, first two sentences.
We couldn't go out because he had asked us to wait until he returned.
Correct.
The soldiers charged, dashed, the sergeant
Sergeant,
shouted,
sergeant,
ser-
sergeant,
sergeant,
sergeant.
sergeant shouted his orders. When?
Correct answer. Students, the first two are we couldn't go out because he had asked us to wait until he returned. Okay, conditional clause, until or unless he returned. The soldiers charged. Obviously, when will the soldiers charge? When the sergeant gave the order. So the soldiers charged when the sergeant shouted his orders. Correct answer. Next two will do. Raise your hand. Next two. Hurry, beta. Okay, now I myself ask. Yes, Kaleem.
A barren desert now exists. Dash lush green trees grew once. Unless
No, beta. A barren. Barren means like where there is no plantation. So they are saying that a barren desert now exists where lush green trees grew once. Like where there were green trees once upon a time, now there are barren deserts. So you are going to put where. Okay? Do the
yes.
fourth one.
Dash somewhat confusing. It was quite an interesting show if it if
It is a contrast, adverb of, clause of, concession or cast. Though somewhat confusing, even though you can put somewhat confusing, okay? Though somewhat confusing, it was quite an interesting show. Okay. Yes, next. Maria Mujib.
Never start an argument dash you know that you are right. Unless
Unless can also be put, but what is more appropriate than unless? Even if. Okay? Never start an argument, even if you know that you are right. Okay? Now do the sixth one.
the offer was dash tempting dash I just could not decline it.
Means it could not reject it.
Mm,
The offer was dash tempting.
mm.
Look at the box. Which is the most appropriate conjunction?
The offer was
Look at this box. What can be the most appropriate conjunction?
the offer was
So tempting. The offer was so tempting that I just could not decline it. Okay? Now do the seventh one as well. Okay, Musaf, do the seventh, eighth, and ninth.
We could reschedule the meeting if you would prefer that.
Alright, we could reschedule the meeting if you would prefer that. Yes, number
We,
8.
kn- we, we know you read a lot because we saw your library card.
Correct
Because
answer. Number 9. Correct.
there will be a test today dash the teacher has forgotten about it. Unless
Unless. Correct answer. Good. Next 3, who will do? Yes, Kaleem.
the rats entered the house, dash the family went to bed. A- After since
Right. no, you can either put the rats entered the house while the family went to bed or after the family went to bed. After the family went to bed, the rats entered the house. Okay?
Yes.
The 11th one.
Dash, there will be quite a few guests at the party. We are organizing it in the garden.
What can come?
Whi-
Think first, think.
While
No. While is that then when something is in continuation. Okay? While I was studying, my brother was watching a movie. Okay? Two actions are happening at the same time. So what else can come? Since there will be quite a few guests at the party, we are organizing it in the garden. Okay? Okay, good attempt. Now 12 and 13, who will do it? Roma. Yes, Roma. Do the 12 and 13 one.
कौन सा वाला?
12 and 13.
We will not get anything to eat. Dash we reach to
The next
dash we
down.
reach while
No.
since
Until. Until, na? Unless and until or till. Both are used in the same meaning. We will not get anything to eat until we reach the next town. Okay? Number 13.
she is better
Acquainted with the system.
with the system. Dash she is.
Comparison. Comparison. Which word we will use for comparison? Look at the box. Look at the box and then tell me which word we use for making a comparison. Like he is more intelligent dash I am.
Then
Then. THAN then. Correct. Good. Okay, now the last one. Ali Hassan, you can try. 14 and 15. Yes. Okay, Musaf. Okay. Do it, Musaf, quickly.
She can do the work that she has been trained well for.
For. I've told you for is used in the meaning of because. Okay. Why she can do the work? Because she has been trained well. So remember this thing, we can use for in the meaning of reason, because. Yes, number 15.
The girl swept the room after the boys dusted the furniture.
It can be while. While is the appropriate one. The girls swept the room while the boys dusted the furniture. Two actions are happening at the same time. Okay. Now students, let's revise. Yes. You can put any appropriate suitable conjunctions. You can put and, but, yet, as, neither nor, if, unless, because. Okay? Now I've given you, I have told you which conjunctions you can put. First of all, one student can do two sentences, so we can start with Mariam Muji. Beta, quickly, time is short, we have to finish it. Yes, Mariam? Do the first two. It is our annual day at school. Dash,
It is our annual day at school. Dash we look forward to it. It is our annual day at school.
Which conjunction can we put? It is our annual day at school and we look forward to it. Okay? And you're looking forward to it, na? You cannot put but, you cannot put unless, you cannot put if. Okay? It is our annual day at school and we look forward to it. Number 2.
It is
Yes.
Sunday dash we have to go to school.
Do we go to school on Sunday? But they are saying it is Sunday dash we have to go to school.
Mm,
Difference is coming.
but
But correct. Yes, Musab, do the next two.
Which
Yes,
one?
Musab. Third one and fourth one.
The thief.
Oh no, beta exercise D.
My father dash mother will drop me at school in the morning. My father or mother.
It can be my father or mother. It can be my father and mother. Both options are correct. So you
And
can write both. Okay? And put a slash and then put or. You can put any one. Yes, do the fourth one. Hurry up.
we will be busy throughout the day, but no one is complaining.
Correct answer. Okay. Yes, Kaleem.
We
Fifth and
will be
sixth.
we will
We
be
will
so
be
tired by evening dash we will be happy when
happy. No. They are saying that we will be so tired by evening, yet we will be happy. Like we are not, although we are tired, but we will be happy. You can put either but or yet. Chale quickly, we are ready to help them dash. We know that it is our duty.
we know that is our duty.
As we know that it is our duty, or because we know that it is our duty. My friends are taking part in a play. Dash, I will be singing a group song with them. Yes. Later remaining exercises is your homework. Exercise E. Okay. Yes, Musaf. Quickly. Yes, Musaf, number 7. My friends are taking part in a play and I will be singing a group song with them. Okay. Now